What's up, guys? Your boy Josiah Hunt. I'm out here to do a quick unboxing about a couple of shoes that are kind of hard to get. Man, got the package. Here we go. All right, be nice and delicate. You know what time it is. Best basketball player in the history of planet Earth, Michael Jordan. Just delicate little number 23s. And I got this low pollen. That's a clean shoe, baby. Wow. Look at that tongue. The Jordan. Man, that's a clean shoe. All right, round. Oh, dang. Still with you? Any cracks in the screen? No. Man, all right. Round two here. All right, classic red Nike box. I don't know if you know what that means, but here we go. Okay, no 23. I got the Nike Dunk Georgetown. I like all that Nike Dunk stitching right there. Man. That gray and navy for the Georgetown Hoyas, the Bulldogs. Wow. Anyway, guys, and then I'll show you. You think you've already seen these ones, but I've been loving the Nike Dunk red and white University. Let's go. Hope you guys are good. Jesus loves you. It's your boy Josiah Hine. If you like this video, hit that like button, smash that subscription. Peace.